If your well tests high for nitrate and you receive a reverse osmosis system through tap-in, here are some basic maintenance steps. First, a quick note. Always refer to your user manual for your specific system, as models may vary. First, let's go over sanitizing the system. 1. Go under your sink. 2. Turn off the cold water line. 3. Shut off the storage tank and disconnect the tube entering your RO system. A small amount of water may drain. 4. Using a pipette, add 3 milliliters of 5% bleach into the opening. 5. Reconnect the tube. 6. Turn your cold water line and storage tank back on. 7. Let the system run for 24 hours to move the sanitizer through. 8. Flush the system as the water flow decreases, ensuring the bleach is fully cleared out. Now, let's go over replacing the pre-filter. This is recommended to do every 3 to 6 months. First, twist the old filter a quarter turn and pull it down. A mechanism will depress and automatically shut off water flow. Next, install the new filter and twist it into place. You may hear pressure noises. That's normal. And that's it. Now, let's go over replacing the post filter. This is also recommended to do every 3 to 6 months. First, quarter turn the old filter and remove it. It may contain some water. Next, insert the new filter, line it up, and twist it in. And you're done. Keeping these filters updated ensures your system continues removing nitrate effectively. Skipping regular maintenance can reduce your system's performance and may allow harmful bacteria to build up, potentially causing the opposite effect and leading to illness. If you rely on a private well, testing your water regularly is one of the best steps you can take to protect your household's health. Minnesota Department of Health recommends testing for bacteria and nitrate annually. Private well owners can pick up a kit at Olmsted County Public Health or your respective county office. You can also order online at the link in the description of this video. Learn more about tap-in, eligibility, and water treatment options through your county or the Minnesota Department of Health. Safe and clean water starts with awareness and with testing. Take that first step today.